Okay, so now it's only me standing in front of you, and in between actually this perfect weather, Kieler Woche, and the last lunch here, so I will make it as short as possible. Thank you all for being here. I think it was a great conference, at least in my perception. We had the support of so many people involved here, and I think it's worth a big thanks to quite some organizations, but also some people involved. So first, I would like to thank the federal state of Schleswig-Holstein for being such supportive entity in enforcing this event. So without actually the support, wouldn't have been possible. Also, the Ministry of Environment with their teams who supported us massively and who were with us the best co-organizer we could get actually for this event. Without our sponsors also, you can see them here as a main sponsor, TKMS and the Euroatlas, KUM, Rheinmetall, Devologic. Also this event wouldn't have been possible. Also including our scientific main partner, GeoMa, and also all the scientific community. So I think it was a very interesting combination of science, industry, military defense, and other entities here as well. Our supporters, GMT and Deutsches Maritimes Institut, our great speakers and panelists. I learned a lot, I have to say, from different kind of perspectives on also critical infrastructure, how these kind of worlds work together and where they maybe also don't work together. Then I would like to have a big applause for Terry Martin, Alex Valenti, Ferdinand Behringer, and Peter Menzel, and mainly for Terry. Terry, thank you very much for being here. So you did a great job, and latest in 4 years, please already reserve your time for this event. Then, for sure, we had an amazing location here. So I would like to thank our host and whole catering team of the Wunderino Arena. So also applause for the whole team for supporting us here. Then I think many of you also have been involved and you are seen on pictures and cameras. So we had a great media team of the Fachhochschule under supervision in some way of Arne Krüger. So also thank you to this team as well. Then our technicians who made this whole techniques available, who made this whole streaming, the presentations of Live Hoch 2. So also there, please, an applause. And then I would like to ask actually the most important people here on the panel, and it's Adrian and his team. So Adrian, please, I would like you to come up here. So thank you very much. You and your team made an amazing job. I think from our side, a company with 70 people to make such a conference, which is not really our main business, having actually Adrian and his team here involved, such a pleasure, how professional it, at least from my perception, and I also hope for all the other ones here it was. Thank you for your dedication and this very sleepless hours, I think, in the last nights. So thank you very much, Adrian, and I think you also wanted to say a few words, yeah?
Thank you very much, Jann. It's very nice to be standing up here and get praise. However, as Jann said, this whole thing is a team effort. Like we learned during the last 3 days, also the kind of topic we've got ahead of us, munitions in the sea, critical infrastructure is also team effort. And that's why I think it's fantastic that we had all these different kind of parties here at this event coming from different sectors. And for me, it's important to say that anything that went really, really bad during the last 3 days, you can go and you can blame me. For all the stuff that went really well, I'm just telling you now the names, the people you can go and buy them a coffee. And first and foremost, Jann mentioned it, is our work together with the Ministry of the Environment, the team there, that's Alexander Bach, Alina Dahlmann specifically, unfortunately sick today, and Antje Kress. It was just really a fantastic cooperation. And we just started this endeavor end of last year. So everything you see here just happened in 6 months, which was very competitive. But it's great to see that the state sector is also working on competitiveness, and we accepted this offer. Then Arne was already mentioned, who is managing not only the internal media team of the Fachhochschule, who kindly supported us, but also doing all the things kind on the press conference. Also, I would like to mention the other video team, the professional video team from Kabuya. You see them over there, and the young gentleman who is carrying around the camera for the 3 days. Thank you very much. You have not been mentioned. And the most important person here, Clara Liebrecht. If you're an exhibitor here, you have gotten emails from her. You may have gotten also many other emails from her. She really single-handedly managed all kinds, anything to do with the exhibition. But also anything else that I couldn't do. And so Clara, praise to you, and thank you very much for your work, for supporting this. Without you, this wouldn't have been possible. So thank you.
Okay, so nothing more left to say. So thank you very much for being here. Enjoy the lunch, enjoy the weather, enjoy hopefully Kieler Woche as well. And see you latest in 4 years, I hope, maybe earlier.